Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Sakela with Math Fluency. As always, we're always going to start with our addition cards. All right, please do them with me. Quick, quick, quick. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. How fast are you getting at those addition facts? All right, yesterday we used our 5-dot cards and we took away 1. Today, we're going to take away 2. So go ahead and count them up. There's 5, and we're going to cover up 2. How many are left? 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. Okay, here's our next one. Count them up. 4, and I'm going to take away 2. 4 take away 2 is 2. Okay, the next one I want you to do right in your brain. I'm not going to cover them up. 2 take away 2 equals 0. Good job. And here's our last one we're going to do today. Count them up. 3 take away 2 equals 1. Good job. Now, just like yesterday, we have some shapes, and they're in a circle. Yesterday, we had the 2D shapes. Today, we have the 3D shapes. Sphere, cube, cone, and cylinder. And we're going to do the same thing we did yesterday. We're going to go around the circle, and we're going to cross out the one when we get to 100, and we're going to see which one is left. Make your prediction. Which one do you think will be left? Will it be the sphere, the cube, the cone, or the cylinder? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Make sure you're counting with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Which one is left? Our cylinder. Is that the one you predicted would be left? All right. Now, we are going to play a quick game of Snap. And we're going to start with 5 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we're going to do is we're going to write out our number sentence when we're done. We're always going to start with 5 today. So our 5 will be the first one. We're snapping, we're breaking them in half. We're taking it away so we know we're going to use the minus sign. And let's see how many we have left. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, snap. So I broke off 2, minus 2. How many are left behind my back? 5 minus 2 is 1, 2, 3. 3. Good job. Let's try another one. I'm going to start with 5, and I know I'm snapping. I'm breaking them off, so I'm going to use that minus sign. 1, 2, 3, snap. I broke off 1. How many are left behind my back? 5 minus 1 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now I'd like you to play this game at home. So you're going to need your dry erase board, and your snap cubes, and go ahead and try a couple at home. Start with different numbers. Don't always start with 5. See if you can make these subtraction sentences. Now, the last thing we're going to do today is I want you to practice and see how fast you're getting at your addition facts. Starting tomorrow, we're going to be starting on subtraction facts. So you're going to have somebody in your house, mom or dad, grandma, brothers, sisters, somebody that can write down these. You can either copy mine, hit pause and copy them down, or you can have mom or dad make up your own to 5. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to time it and see how fast you can get it done. So then they're going to say, Mark, get set, go. And you're going to work and you're going to fill in all the answers. And when you get done, say done. And then they can stop it. And they can send the time to your teacher and let them know how fast you are at doing these. All right, so go ahead, write them down and go fast, fast, fast. See you tomorrow.
Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Knight. Yesterday we talked about how we could start making some flashcards with our bigger numbers more than 10. So let's take a look at these. I'm going to flash them to you. You tell me what they are. Ready, set, go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, that was so easy. Now it's time to mix them up because that was in order. Now you need to be able to randomly do these. Ready, set, go. 14, 11, 15, 12, 13. Good job. Make some flashcards. That's our warm-up for today. Make sure you're able to know these in a snap. All right, let's take a look at what we're going to work on today. Today we're going to look at some word problems. A word problem means that they're words and it's really math. So I'm going to give myself a hand. If you remember from my classroom, this is my pointer stick. It helps me a little bit. We're going to read this story and you'll see there's some numbers sprinkled in here. And then we're going to solve. It says, if you want to read along with me, Nick had 10 party hats. Now there's a period here, which means I have to stop. So here's that word stop, a 2G word, S-T-O-P, stop. So at this period, I'm going to stop and go, ooh, there were 10 party hats. I bet that's important to my story. So I'm going to put a box around it. And then I'm going to say to myself, okay, let's keep reading. 7 hats blew away. Oop, there's a period. So I'm going to stop again and think to myself, ooh, there was a number, 7. I'm going to box that in. That's important to this word problem. How many hats does Nick have now? So my first thing is I need to draw a picture for this problem. I have started with the number 10. Nick had 10 party hats. Am I going to do a party hat like this and then make little designs? No way. I don't have time for that when I'm doing my math. Instead, I need to say, oh, I'm making circles. I'm going to make a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one you just watch me do. You don't have to do this one with me. The next word problem I'll let you work on with me. I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've drawn my 10 party hats. I go 7 hats blew away. So that means whoosh, they've been taken away. So that's going to be a subtraction. So I need to take away 7. So I cross them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, how many does that leave? 1, 2, 3. And there's my answer. How many hats does Nick have now? Well, my answer is 3. So I need to put that now into a number sentence. I'm going to say, what number did I start with? What was my whole? 10 party hats. Minus, there's that sign, which means take away. How many were taken, or in this story, whoosh, blown away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 7 equals how many were left? 3. There's my answer now. So say it with me, please. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Now it's time to put it in that number bond. We know it is part, whole. Ooh, what was my whole? What was my number I started with? 10. My parts were 7 hats blown away. 3 were left. Great. We have just finished that first word problem. Let's try another one. So we're back for our next word problem. I would like you to get your journal out or a piece of paper. You just need one sheet of paper, and then you can do a little work as I do it. Please work with me. All right, here we go. Let's read this problem. This is about a girl named Lily. Lily had 9 leaves. Ooh, there's that period. It means stop. Think about what it says. She had 9 leaves. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to circle that because it's important to the story. And I'm going to draw 9 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just like a 10 frame. 5 on top, 5 on bottom. But one's missing because I only wanted 9. It says, read with me, then 4 leaves blew away. Oop, there's that period. End of the sentence. Stop. It gives me some information. So I have now 4 that have blown away. So whoosh, the wind has taken them and blown them away again. So it's subtraction. Take away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's this last one's a question. How many leaves are left? Question mark. Well, my answer would be these that I didn't X out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? So really, I could answer that and put a 5 there. That does answer the question. So this number was important. I have my answer of 5. So here's my numbers that I'm going to use for my number sentence. How many did I start with? My whole 9 leaves. Minus, I took away how many? 4. Yep, there it is in my picture. 4 equals how many are left? Oh, I already answered that. 5. So my number sentence now reads 9 minus 4 equals 5. Now go ahead and draw your number bond. Pause me if you need to. And how would you complete it? Well, the whole would be here, 9 leaves. How many are, or what are the parts? A 4 and a 5. All right, great. We have one thing that we're going to do for our extension. So come on over here and take a look at what I have. A little more subtraction. So adults at home, the kids could be at different levels with their subtraction. So these are some basic fluency problems. You might need your child to find the counters, find 2 for the first one, take away 1, write the answer 1. I would like the students to write these numbers out, please. It's good practice. One strategy is use the counters. Another strategy might be to draw a picture underneath. I have 2 dots, take away 1, you cross it out, there's the answer 1. Some students might be able to just use their fingers and go 1, 2, take away 1 is 1. So there's different strategies. Some students might be to the point of they can do this in their head. 3 take away 2 equals 1, mental math. So see where your child's level is needed and then decide what you would like them to use. Manipulatives, drawings, finger math, whatever they think. But as we practice these, we want them to go quicker and quicker at doing these. So please remind them, the minus is take away.